clavé retirado, pero sigo haciendo balazos, ¿eh? Como el que clavé con Verizon. Tengo el precio congelado por 3 años. Frozen, para los que hablan inglés. ¿Como yo?
I need a trunk for all this.
All right, Auto Trader. Let's find him a ride to fit all his stuff. Fire up Auto Intelligence.
Sweet.
Uh-oh, he's gonna fall! Auto Intelligence. Woo! What a ride.
Looking from a window above, it's like a story of love. Can you hear me? All I needed was the love you gave.
La pistola.
Hey, listen. Russ went to see his dad.
But first he gave you something, right?
They'd think you stole it.
What?
Either I get what I want, or my pistol talk for me. You got 5 seconds.
What's going on?
I can't go to the cops.
Uno,
But I can handle it.
dos,
Buckle your seatbelt.
tres, cinco.
Caught stealing, exclusively in theaters August 29th. Rated R.
I need a trunk for all of this.
We got a live one. All right, Auto Trader. Let's find him a ride to fit all his stuff. Inventory, budget, pricing. Fire up Auto Intelligence.
Syncing data tools and preferences for customized results.
You're on fire, Jim.
Sweet.
Uh-oh, he's gonna fall! Auto Trader, Auto Intelligence. Woo! What a ride.
Watch free national and local news on Prime Video.
The newsmakers right here facing all the tough questions.
We've got you covered every step of the way. We are living in an extraordinary period.
From changing skies to market shifts,
Around the world, this is BBC News.
covering all the stories that matter to you. Your news, your app.